guys, it's Vijaya and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you my recipe for an Aloo Tikki Burger. Now this is inspired by McDonald's Aloo Tikki Burger, which you can purchase in India. And basically it's a sandwich with a crispy spiced potato patty that's layered on a bun with spicy green chutney, a bunch of crunchy vegetables. Let me tell you, it is so good. It's savory, spicy, tangy, all at the same time. And whether you're a meat lover or a vegetarian, you are going to dig this one. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're loving the videos. And of course, if you're looking for the full recipe, all you have to do is click the info box under this video and everything you need is there. Let's go make an Aloo Tikki Burger. All right, so let's talk potatoes. I have a couple of russet potatoes that I peeled and diced into large cubes. I like using russet potatoes because they're nice and starchy and they hold together really well, which is important for this recipe. But if you can't find them, then you can use Yukon Gold or even baking potatoes. So I brought a pot of water up to the boil. I'm going to season it with a ton of salt. You want to make sure that it tastes like the sea. And we're going to gently lower our potatoes in and cook them for about 12 to 15 minutes until they're fork tender. I drained my potatoes and transferred them to a large plate, and now we're gonna get mashing. I'm just using an everyday fork, and we're gonna go in there and start mashing the potatoes until they become nice and creamy. You don't have to be perfect with this. If there are a few chunks, that's totally okay. Now that our potatoes are mashed, it's time to season things up, and I have a plate of beautiful spices here, some dried mint, a little bit of cumin, ground coriander, some Kashmiri red chili, as well as amchoor. Now amchoor is dried green mango powder. If you can't find that at the grocery store, try chaat masala, and if you can't find chaat masala, a squeeze of lemon will do. I'm going to scatter my spices all over the potatoes, season up generously with salt, and mix it to combine. Now we're gonna go in with my secret ingredient, cornstarch. It's going to help the patties get a super crisp exterior. So a couple of tablespoons, as well as some fresh chopped coriander, and we're gonna give that a nice mix until everything comes together. Now here's the fun bit, we're going to form our patties. Now this mixture makes about 6 patties in all because you want them to be the diameter of your burger bun, and all you're going to do is grab a little bit of the mixture, make it into a ball, and then very gently flatten it out until it is the size of your burger bun, just like that. Look at how amazing our Aloo Tikki patties look. They came together so quickly, and as I was forming the patties, I could really smell the spices. So delicious. Now it's time to fry them off. So I have a frying pan here that's on medium heat. I'm going to add a touch of oil, and we're going to gently lower our patties in, cooking them for about 3 to 4 minutes until they're nice and golden brown and crusty on both sides. Then I'm going to drain them off on a little bit of paper towel. Our Aloo Tikki patties are hot off the stove. They're nice and crispy. I'm just gonna let them hang for a little bit while we work on our fast green chutney. So into a blender, I'm going to add some coriander, as well as some white onion and some Thai green chili for heat. I'm gonna squeeze in the juice of half a lemon and season with salt, and we're gonna blend this up until it's nice and smooth. Now we're going to assemble. I have a couple of toasted buns, and to the bottom bun I'm going to add a little bit of mayonnaise and top it off with some lettuce. Then on goes our Aloo Tikki patty, followed by a little bit of sliced onion, a sliced tomato, and then on the top bun I'm going to generously spread it with that green chutney. We're going to top it off, and just like that, our Aloo Tikki burger is done. All right, let's give this Aloo Tikki burger a taste. Oh, it is a hearty sandwich. Mmm. 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 The first thing I get is the smushy bun and that crispy, buttery potato patty. It is so crunchy and flavored so beautifully. It is tangy, it is spicy, it's savory. So yum. And then you have that spicy green chutney on top that adds a little bit of zing with that lemon coming through, and then the crisp veggies, and all together it makes such a beautifully well-rounded sandwich. Now if you're looking for a vegetarian sandwich in your life, this is the one to try. If you're looking to switch up your burger game and make it a little more Indian, then this is definitely the one to try. It is so easy to make, it's so flavorful, and it's definitely a crowd pleaser. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to give me a big ol' thumbs up. You know how that makes me feel. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe for more videos. And as always, if you have a question, comment, concern, or request, leave it in the comments box down below. Until my next video, I will see you all later. Bye.